Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn background photo using Adobe Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Adobe Express website. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or social media account. Once signed in, click on the Create New Project button. In the search bar, type LinkedIn background to find the right template. Select a template that suits your style and preferences. The template will open in the editing interface. To change the background, click on the background section in the layout. You can choose a solid color, gradient, or an image for your background. If you want to upload your own image, click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click the Upload button and select the image from your device. Drag and drop your uploaded image onto the background layer. To adjust the image, you can resize and reposition it as needed. Next, let's add some text to your background. Click on the Text tab in the left sidebar. Choose the style of text you want, and it will appear on the canvas. Edit the text by double-clicking on it and typing your desired information. You can also change the font style, size, and color from the text settings toolbar. If you need to move the text, simply drag it to your preferred location. Once you are happy with your design, click on the Download button at the top right corner. Select your desired file type, such as JPG or PNG. Click the Start Download button to save your new background photo to your device. Now, go to your LinkedIn profile page. Click on the camera icon in the background photo section. Upload the new background photo you just created. Adjust the positioning if needed, and then click Apply. Your LinkedIn background photo is now updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.